Hey guys, just wanted to talk real quick about variables and constants. So what are the difference between them? So right now I'm in a playground. And by the way, you can open your own playgrounds by going to Xcode and clicking File, New, Playground. And this is just a place where you can test out your code and see how it works. So right now we have two properties here. So when I mean property, that can either be a variable or a constant. So we have a variable that is called openBox, and it can take in a type of string. Inside the openBox variable is a cat. Then we have a constant that is a sealed box, and it can take in a string. Inside the sealed box is a spider. So right off the bat, the difference between variables and constants is that with variables, you can change the value inside the variable during runtime. With constants, you can't do that. Now, what do I mean by runtime? So runtime is essentially when your app is running. In a playground, runtime is triggered by pressing this play button. So right now we are at runtime, running constants and variables. So if you can see, once I press runtime, it will show us that the variable openBox has the value cat, and the constant sealed box has the value spider. Okay, so let's check what the boxes have again by typing in a print statement. So inside the print statement, we can print the value of the open box. And we can print the value of the sealed box. So let's play. And you can see in the open box, it has a cat, and in the sealed box, it has a spider. So what if we wanted to change the value of the open box from a cat to a tiger? Well, how do we do that? We can type in open box equals tiger. And if we print our open box again, during runtime, we would be able to change the value of openBox from cat to tiger. That's because openBox is a variable. So let's try and change the value of the sealed box. So let's put in the sealed box a lizard. Immediately, Xcode is going to give us an error that says cannot assign to value. Sealed box is a let constant. That because, like a sealed box, you won't be able to change the value of a constant during runtime. And that's the difference between variables and constants.